To use an Agoda coupon, start by searching for your desired hotel or accommodation on the Agoda website or mobile app. Once you have found the perfect place to stay, select your travel dates and room type. Then click the Book Now button. On the booking page, you will see a summary of your reservation, including the total cost. Look for the coupon code field, which is usually located below the room details or above the payment options. Enter your Agoda discount code in the designated field, making sure to type it in correctly and without any spaces. After entering the code, click the Apply button to redeem your discount. If the code is valid, you will see the discounted price reflected in the total cost of your booking. Review your reservation details to ensure everything is correct. Then proceed to payment. It is essential to note that Agoda coupons can have certain restrictions or requirements, such as a minimum stay or specific travel dates. Always check the terms and conditions of the coupon before booking to avoid any issues. Additionally, you can find Agoda discount codes on the company's website, social media, or through email newsletters. You can also use online coupon websites or travel blogs to find valid Agoda promo codes. By following these steps, you can easily use an Agoda coupon to save money on your next hotel booking. Remember to always read the terms and conditions of the coupon and to enter the code correctly to avoid any errors. Using Agoda coupons is a great way to reduce your travel expenses and stay within your budget. With a wide range of accommodations to choose from and regular discounts available, Agoda is a great option for travelers looking for affordable and convenient booking options.